Are competitors eating into your business? They're stealing your customers and you're not necessarily sure why or how to get them back. I'm going to show you a great tool using my partner SEMrush's SEMrush One. Now, all you need to do is go to the link in the description down below. If you click on that link, you'll be able to see you can get 7 days completely free to see this and see if it helps your company. I bet it will. Now, after you've signed up for it, we can get an idea of your competitor research. I'll show you how to get there. So just go to semrush.com. On the left-hand side, we're going to go down to AI visibility and then competitor research. Now on here, I'm just going to enter in a random nursery that's nearby that I'm going to see their competitors. So you can see I can add up to 3 competitors myself and I can enter those in. Or if you just go up to visibility, and if you don't necessarily know your competitors, you can always just type in a visibility overview and then go to competitor research, and it will automatically populate those competitors that it thinks are your basically best competitors or your top competitors online. So you can see on here Plant Delights and Bluestone, Spring Hill, High Country Gardens, and Annie's Annuals. Now you'll be able to see the AI visibility, the audience, the number of mentions, and you'll be able to see where you rank in terms of your competitors. But the most important and helpful information is if you scroll down a bit. You can see here a lot of different prompts and AI topics, essentially where your website or company might be doing well, and then other instances where a different company might be taking your customers or taking potential customers. So you can see, for instance, anniversary gifts and idea. Spring Hill Nursery is doing a better job. For instance, they have options for anniversary gifts or wedding gifts, etc. I can scroll down and flower types and parts. Flower, different names, different types of flowers and their names. I can tap on the full response to get an idea of all of the topics or searches that people are looking up, and they're going to your competitors instead of you. You can see on here, source 1-800-Flowers and Yarden Garden. Now on here, these are essentially opportunities for your company to build out information and services associated with these. So anniversary gifts, flower types, hibiscus plants and care. Again, this is all related to a nursery, but this will all populate based on your specific company, and you'll get an idea of where other competitors are stealing your business and where you can start to take it back from them.